Hi, I'm Mike. I'm going to demonstrate how to get the rear view mirror cover off a 2025 Trax. This also applies to the Buick and Vista. I've got a trim tool with some barbs on it. I'm just going to slip it under the cover here and pull to release. There's 5 points. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got the right one off. I got the left one off and it popped the one in the middle, bottom. So now I'm going to slide this towards a headliner. And get the last two popped off. And I'm going to lower it. And spin this 90 degrees. Okay, so for demonstration purposes, I've already removed the mirror and the set screw that holds the mirror on. We've got the cover off, but I put the mirror back on just to demonstrate that once the cover's off or the screw's out, the mirror pulls back and off. It's on flanges. Okay, we've got the new mirror. We're just going to slide it onto the flange. Set screw is a T28, both for the old and new mirror. The set screw's been tightened, and we're ready to put the cover back on. Okay. And put the cover back on. We removed the center hatch here for easier reinstallation. I'm going to grab the top hooks in the back, and I'm going to snap the mirror back into place. Mirror cover, that is. And then we'll snap the smaller hatch back in. Just made it easier to put all this back together. And we're done.